call me friend, and your heart you lend, your heart you lend to me. You call me friend, you call me friend, and your heart you lend, your heart you lend to me. You call me yours, you call me yours. Though I fall so short, I fall so short at your feet. You call me yours, you call me yours. Though I fall so short, I fall so short at your feet. How I long for your love, I am desperate for your touch. I don't wanna take a step without you, I don't wanna waste a breath without you. How I long for your love, you have always been enough. I don't wanna take a step without you, I don't wanna waste a breath without you. Friend, you call me friend, your heart you lend, your heart you lend to me. You call me friend, you call me friend, your heart you lend, your heart you lend to me. You call me yours, you call me yours.
You're my greatest achievement and my wildest adventure. You have won my heart over and over again with every year that's passed. Everything I've ever dreamed about love became reality when I found you. Although I may call myself a poet, you leave me speechless, lost for words in all the best ways. I vow to love you through all weathers and every change. Whatever life throws, God willing, just know you'll find me there, full of love and passion, is my divine prayer. Like sand on the shore, where tides seemingly roar, there's no wind or wave that can break what God has built in us for our love to display.
You're my best friend, my soulmate, and you know me better than anyone else. There's no one in this world I would travel across country with in a little van full of music equipment and moldy gas station food with. You make me laugh more than anyone else on this planet. No one has ever made me mad and laugh to the point I'm crying at the same time before. I can't imagine spending my life with anyone else. I can't imagine raising furry, four-legged children or actual children with. And I love you with my whole being. I'm excited. After 5 years, we're finally getting married.
There is no fate, there is no part of me that can push you away, push you away. How I long for your love, I am desperate for your touch. I don't wanna take a step without you, I don't wanna waste a breath I don't wanna